Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXC Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. We are at this moment, it is actually happening. Now, back in November 2023, we did read the story of potentially our Olympic bronze medalist and also Commonwealth gold medalist in the men's 110-meter hurdles, Ronald Levy, facing a 4-year ban after testing positive in an out of competition test. Now, trackies, the results are now in, and yes, he has received a 4-year ban. Now, TVJ News says Tokyo Olympic 110-meter hurdles bronze medalist Ronald Levy has been hit with a 4-year ban by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO. The ruling was handed down in a letter dated August 2021. Levy returned a positive test for the banned substance sulfone and sulfoxide from an out of competition test on October 9th, 2023. Levy's period of ineligibility will be backdated to November 1, 2023, the date on which the provisional suspension was imposed by JADCO. Now, they do go on to say that Levy has the right to appeal the decision to the Court of Arbitration of Sport. RSO track is, as you heard that, so yes, he is indeed or has been handed down a 4-year ban by JADCO, which he does have the right to appeal through the Court of Arbitration for Sport. Now, back when I did, break this story, I did say, given his age and you slap a 4-year ban on that, that's pretty much, telling him that this is the end of his road, in track and field, because when you slap 4 years onto, 31, that's, roughly 35 around there, even if you backdate it track is. So when it comes to, the potential of him being able to come back after 35, it's pretty slim at this particular point. So they pretty much put the nail in the coffin, Jadko that is, in the coffin for Ronald Levy, and has pretty much, ended his career here with this particular 4-year ban. No, Jadco, them just say go hard and done, because as far as I'm concerned, they're always looking to give, athletes the maximum ban. In Jamaica, there's never any leeway. They always give you, the highest ban they can possibly give you. And they've doled out here, a handy 4-year ban to Ronald Levy. Now, as I did state in the beginning of the video, that he is an Olympic bronze medalist and also the Commonwealth winner back in 2018. So this is a heavy hit to Jamaica, because he was one of our very best, one of the very best to do it in the sport of track and field in the men's 110-meter hurdles. And to see him go out like this, track is definitely not something that we celebrate. Based on the circumstances I heard, I thought there was some room for at least being lenient towards him, but Jadko is like, oh hell no, we're not, doing anything lenient here. We're just gonna slap you with a 4-year ban. So it's definitely tough. At this particular point, there's not much that I can say other than that I'm wishing Ronald Levy the best. It's hard for me to say I'm hoping to see him after 4 years, because this is reality, right? He's now going to be 35 after this. What next? You know what I mean? As it relates to also taking care of his, family, right, and loved ones, right? What next? I'm sure he won't be sitting around waiting for 4 years so that he can come back at 35, and we don't know if he'll be able to get back, to his best, or the best that, took him to the top of the world, or top flight level sprinting in the hurdles. So with that being said, I'm literally just wishing him all the best right now. This one definitely hit hard trackies, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As usual, like the video, of course, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.